Good morning, everyone. Okay, so we'll start in another, the market will open in another 5 minutes. Before that, what I do usually once I start my trading day is look at my portfolio, right? I first pre-authorize them, all these stocks, so that I can sell this anytime. So it's a good security feature given by CDSL, where only you can sell the stocks and no one else, like broker cannot sell your stocks, because you have to verify a TPIN and then an OTP. Okay, now I'm verifying the TPIN for you. This is my TPIN which I have entered. And then I verified with my OTP 431665. Done. So now I can sell these stocks at any point of time. So I need not wait for the verification of OTP and TPIN, so that if the price reaches, I can square off the BTST stocks or square off profit-making stocks quickly without waiting for any further verification. So EDIS is nothing but electronic delivery instruction slip. For online transactions, whenever you sell a stock from your DP, you have to give the instruction, delivery instruction to the broker, saying that I'm okay to sell these stocks from my DP. DP is depository participant, demat account. A trading account is different from a demat account. Trading account is held with a broker. Demat account is held with a depository participant. Okay. So earlier, I mean, you all know the biggest scam in demat, which is Carvi. It happened sometime in 2019, 2020, where brokers misused the holdings of all the customers which are lying in the demat account, and they pledged it outside for want of money to do their business, which is illegal. I mean, you need to be very careful with, who is your broker, what security features they have. Do they have 2FAs implemented? Do they have TPIN implemented? Do they have OTP implemented? All these things are very important. I mean, many customers lost that money, and then later on, after SEBI intervened and filed cases against Carvi, and ILFS took over the project of, a bank board took over the project of ILFS and ILFS and Carvi. Customers were returned the money. So EDIS is a very important feature where you need to give you need to give authorization to the broker saying that I'm okay to sell the stocks which are lying in the demat account. Sometimes it becomes inconvenient. It is true that हर बार stock बेचते वक्त मेरे को OTP और TPIN डालना तकलीफ वाली बात है. तो इसलिए मैं क्या करता हूँ, सुबह सुबह मार्केट खुलने से पहले बिफोर 9:15 आई प्री ऑथराइज ऑल द स्टॉक्स सो दैट बेचना इजी है. आप जो इंट्राडे स्टॉक्स और एफएनओ करते हो, उसमें देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ ईडीआईएस. ओनली द स्टॉक्स व्हिच यू हैव परचेज्ड a day before or much before that which are lying in your demat account, उनके लिए ही pre-authorized EDIS देना compulsory है. It's a good security feature, but at the same time कभी कभी इरिटेटिंग लगता है जब मार्केट, अगर आपने प्री ऑथराइज नहीं किया सुबह, तो 11 बजे 12 बजे जब आपका प्राइस रीच हो जाता है और आपको जल्दी भेजना है, तब आपको आपको टीपिन याद रखना पड़ेगा, फिर ओटीपी एंटर करना पड़ेगा, फिर जाके आपको बेचना पड़ेगा. सो दैट विल कंज्यूम टाइम. So it's a good habit that you pre-authorize. Okay. So market will open in another 30 seconds. So let's wait. आज बहुत सीखने को मिलेगा. The agenda is live trading with stocks calls. I've already taken a lot of stocks which have been recommended by my research team. And there is one open position of Atul Future, which is a sell call. यहाँ पे clearly दिखता है call initiated. कल दिया था ये कॉल 6000 में बेचने के लिए with a target price of 5880. Okay, in 2 seconds the market is opening. Okay, market has opened 33 points down. Let's look at the chart. The chart is loading. Let me refresh once because I've opened it for a long time. All right. Let me make it into a full screen. So chart chalta rahega udhar. And let me look at my positions. 2362. And okay. Ami Organics is giving me 2.28%. Now I'll have to review. मैं कौन सा मैं exit करूँ, कौन सा मैं रखूँ. Okay, I will first teach you how to review your stocks and then decide whether you want to exit or not. Okay, market down hai, so I don't expect much of a profit booking today. I will not expect much of a profit booking today. Yesterday it was a volatile market. It went up, it went down, and then it closed higher of about around 100 points. Now let's look at the market. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. No, it's 1-minute chart. The market is struggling. Go up. So the first candle itself was a red candle. The gap down, a gap down of around 30 points. So what happens immediately after market opens? Bulls and the bears fight. Market को ऊपर लेके जाना है कि नीचे लेके जाना है. So in this fight today, how you should visualize is in the first candle itself, bears have, guys, I got a notification, book partial profit. Let me first book my profits, boss. Creative, new update, book partial profit. Okay, I'm holding this. P&L of 250 rupees. Creative. So it's around 1%. BTST, overnight I made around 1%. So let me exit this. It says partial profit, like I will exit complete. Because I've already pre-authorized, it will not ask me for a TPIN and OTP. So I've booked profit in creative. Let me see other calls. There's no other update. ये सारे कल के update है. So book partial. तो कल बहुत सारे profit booking calls आए थे. Book partial, book partial, book partial, book partial. Let's wait. Okay, coming back to what happens immediately after the market opens. Bulls and bears fight. The market किधर लेके जाना है. Once 9:15 the market opened, today what happened? Bears ऊपर से मारते हैं. Bears उठा के जमीन पे टपकाते हैं. Bulls नीचे से ऊपर उनके जो सींग होते हैं, हॉर्न्स, सींग से नीचे से ऊपर उछालते हैं. Right? So at 9:16 today, once between 9:15 and 9:16, bears have won and they have hit the bulls down on the ground. तो मार्केट नीचे गिरा. अभी बुल्स उठ नहीं पा रहे. 9:16. ओके, थोड़ा कोशिश किया बुल बेयर्स को मार के ऊपर उठने के लिए, लेकिन उठ नहीं पाया. ज्यादा उठ नहीं पाया, मतलब क्रॉस कर नहीं पाया. राइट, एंड देन थोड़ा और ऊपर, फिर एंड देन बस उधर ही रुके हुए हैं. मतलब बेयर इज स्टिल ऑन द विनिंग साइड. एक और कॉल आया है. Let me just capacity, okay, book full profit. Okay, let me book it from here itself. Book full profit. See, very easy to transact here, no? Very easy to transact here. Book full profit. Yes. Yes. Sell. So book profit in capacity and I have book profit in creative. और देखते हैं if there is any other BTST recommendation that comes. So there are various stocks that I'm holding based on now. AmiOrg is giving me 3.43% return, guys. New York is a long-term stock, so I will not sell that today. Policy Bazaar is giving me 5.76%. What is the stock that is giving me negative return? 7%, Century Ply. Is the call open? Yeah, call is still open. Is it a long-term call? Yeah, it's a long-term call, so I need not worry. I'll hold it. So long-term calls के लिए अपना we don't get stop loss, okay? Unless and until the research analyst feels that you have to exit, okay, he will not give any stop loss. So long-term call Century Ply is still open. Okay, Engineers India, it says book partial. Okay, I think I've exited yesterday, so it is not, the button is not enabled. Engineers India, I've already exited yesterday. ये क्या इसमें Engineers India नहीं है. I've already exited. Let me sort it by name. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So Engineers India is not there. Yeah, see the platform is very easy for you to sort करके देख लो. So Policy Bazaar is giving me 6%. And New York is giving me 2.8%. Ipca Lab is rapid mover. Is giving me 1.42%. Samhi is giving me, I think Samhi also there was an exit call yesterday. Was there an exit call? Let me click. No, here we go. Target price of 227 और 20 रुपए आने का बाकी है. All right. So looks like the market is bearish today. Now let's look at the 5-minute candle, how it looks like. Right? So the first 5 minutes, bears were in power. This next 5 minutes has just started 2 minutes ago. Now again, it forms a red candle. Let's look at overall market. Let's analyze the market now. Yeah, we are at a double top. Over here, we are at a double top. Let me look Fed retracement. So put this Fed retracement. You actually need not learn all this analysis when you follow StoxCalls. There's a high possibility of market coming down to 22,400. In April, Q4 results and year-end results will start coming in. So the market will be volatile. So you should expect a kind of a momentum and a volatility starting April. Yesterday, HDFC Bank was a big gainer. Okay. I'll show you guys. I'll show you everything. I'm just waiting for some trades. The market is flat, so it's very difficult for you to have some. Because yesterday there was so many calls that have come, and I'll just show you. I think yesterday or day before yesterday there was so many profit booking calls that have come. I've taken that screenshot. I'll show that screenshot to you. Let's see. No, I think I've sent it to myself. Look at this. When the market is performing, your stocks call screen looks like this. So many stocks. Book partial, stop loss trigger, book full profit, stop loss trigger, book full, book partial. ये कौन से दिन का था ये? Let me see. This was on 3rd. Okay, day before yesterday. This was on 3rd. This is coming. Okay. And again, book partial, right? So I've taken the screenshot to show you guys. How stocks calls are sent. Okay. Okay, not much action in the market. Okay. So now let me review all my stocks and then decide. Okay, there are some questions in chat. Okay. Recordings will be shared, guys. Okay, now let me review all my holdings. Okay. So Atul is giving me 2,800 rupees of profit now. Now I need to decide whether I should exit or keep it. 6,000 पर है और 120 rupees नीचे जाने का chances है. Let me look at the chart. Showing clear downward signal. So let me hold this for some more time. I'll wait on this. Okay, let me review the holdings. मैं groups में जाता हूँ. Okay, I'll show you how to group your stocks and then I will review. I will start all over again for you guys. Okay. Now groups, let me create a group. I know that Amiorg is a long-term stock that I have taken. Century Play अभी हमने सुबह देखा था, long term के लिए है. And then we have Shakti Pump. I know it's for long term. देखते हैं वापस बाकी सब देखते हैं. Long term stocks. New special character allowed. Okay, sorry. Amiorg call initiated. Target is 1518. Current price is 1153. So I'll keep it holding. And then Anup 3369 is the current price. और 200 रुपए पर जाने का chances है. So I'll hold it. Anup was a short-term call. ढूंढो इधर किधर Anup. Okay. Anup is BTST. So yesterday it was given. Okay. And there's no call yet. So we'll wait. Chapter side, I think I have not exited all the stocks here. Exit 99, review, sell order. Total loss हुआ मेरा. ठीक है, no problem. Then Century Ply is a long-term stock. Creative I have exited. Genesis. Still there is a gap. 695 to 714. Then look at Graphite. Graphite target is 715. 660 is the current price. So I'll hold it. Havells is the call open. Yes, call is open. 1664 is the target. 1545. Ipca Lab 1270, 1275 was the recommended price. Target price is 1400 or लगभग 80 rupees बाकी है. I'll hold it. Ipca Lab has started growing, started giving me returns. JSW Infra. Okay, 281. Call is still open. KSL, Kalyani Steel, 1000. Call is still open. Very good. Oricon Enterprises. Okay, I got a notification on my mobile. Stop loss is hit for Anup. So I will exit Anup. 1.57% return. See, because I'm taking small quantity, my loss is also very less. I'll show you how much profits I make in some time. Let me first clear off my positions. Exited Anup. इधर आता है आपके डैशबोर्ड में, इधर आ जाता है Anup BTST new update. Click on it. Stop loss hit. All right. If there's anyone in the audience, if they're thinking that market में हम हमेशा पैसा बनाएंगे, then you are at the wrong place. Okay, Ipka Lab, it's giving me a book partial profit. I'll book full. यहाँ से करेंगे तो ये क्या होता है? Let me go to my holdings and then from here clear my Ipka Lab. Here. इसमें 600 रुपए बन रहा है. Entire sell. Okay, done. I'll show you how it comes on mobile so that you can understand. You can see my mobile screen. In this, you get notifications like this. So your order, okay. Stop loss hit Anup. So I've exited Anup. Okay. Similarly, capacity, book full profit, capacity. Right, you get book partial profit in creative. Right, notifications is out. Same way you can have. Okay, Atul is giving me good returns. I'm getting tempted to book profits. Let's see. These are my holdings. So मैं पहले review कर लेता हूँ मेरा holdings. Then after that, I'll show you my reports. ग्राफाइट देख लिया, इक्का देख लिया. ओके, JSW, कल्याणी स्टील, ऑरिकॉन देख लिया. पॉलिसी बाजार इज गिविंग मी गुड रिटर्न्स. अभी भी होल्ड करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. आई होल्ड इट. 1234 versus 1299. I'll exit. Yeah, I'll book profits 1400. I'll exit. I mean, मैं वहां तक वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I'll take some other call. अभी 10-11 बजे रिसर्च एनालिस्ट will start giving calls once they find opportunities. Right? So let me book profit. 1500 is a good money, no? कहाँ तक गए थे? Policy bazaar, I booked the profits. Quick heal. I'll wait. 499 to 562. Samhi 207 to 227. I'll wait. Shakti Pump long term, I know that. Shobha Limited 1537 to 1729. Good gap. I'll wait. Tata Power 410 to 448. I'll wait. And Ved Limited, Vedanta Limited 311 to 326. सर 12-13 रुपए बाकी है. मेरे 20,000 इसमें अटका होगा. 300 रुपए. आई थिंक आई विल. ये मैं वेदांता कल ही लिया था. वेदांता कब लिया मैंने? वो वेदांता टेक्नो फंडा रिकमेंडेड प्राइस. इट वाज गिवन ऑन थर्ड डे फॉर यस्टरडे. अपसाइड 9% है, but I'm feeling like I should exit Vedanta so that I can put this money somewhere else. No, I'll wait. I'll hold it. It's my call ultimately. All right. So groups में जाके बाकी सब short term में डाल देते हैं. Short term में क्या क्या है? Go to StoxCalls, go to short term. Your अनूप इक्का लैब के पास है. क्रिएटिव इक्का लैब रैपिड मूवर्स में भी है, BTST में भी है, रैपिड मूवर्स में भी है. then Genesis, TCS, Gujarat Gas, Punawala, Yes Bank, Nikhil, Shobha. All these are in शॉर्ट टर्म. लॉन्ग टर्म में क्या क्या ओपन है वो भी देख लेते हैं. Muthoot Finance have exited once it reached 10% profit. Shakti Pump, Century Ply, Maruti, Engineers India, and Amial. Okay. So let me classify in groups. Another group called short term. 0 0 जो हो गया वो छोड़ देता हूँ. Genesis, Graphite, Havels, JSW Infra, KSL, Oricon, Quick Heal, Sunhi, Shobha, Tata Power, and Vedanta. Okay, create group. Short term stocks. All right. Okay, my short term stocks are giving me a loss of around 3,300. Many stocks. I'll wait for the calls to come and then accordingly I will exit. So today market is flat. It is lying at 36 points down. Look at the market how it is. उधर ही है. Let me go to 1 minute chart and show you. Right? इसी कैंडल के अंदर ही घूम रहा है. There's no movement. There is absolutely no movement. Okay, Rashmi Goswami says, sir, one problem we are facing in mobile app, problem occurs when we try to change intraday position to delivery. Sure, I mean, convert position, we will, it's a feature which is not there, we will include that. Thanks for raising this. You will get that feature very soon. Right, now let me look at my position. So this is a great feature of classifying the stocks. You know that your long term is still there and your short term stocks are not performing today. Okay, market is started falling now. So I think my Atul will be giving good return. Atul is giving good return. I think I'm getting tempted to exit. So what I will do is that I will exit half. Okay, I'll exit maybe 75. I will exit book profit. And I keep the balance. All right. And then wait. So let me look at how much funds I have in the account. I got 3,96,000. My earlier capital was around 12 and a half lakhs. In February, I have withdrawn close to around, I think 4 lakhs I have withdrawn. वो भी इधर दिख जाएगा. View fund history. Yeah, on 2nd February, I have withdrawn 5 lakhs I have withdrawn. So 7 lakhs बचा था. 7 lakh में in my holdings, I have invested 3.6 lakhs. Positions, the cost is around इधर दिख जाएगा funds में. So used margin is 1.59 lakhs. Okay. And available to trade is 3.96. So 4 lakh available to trade करने के लिए. So meanwhile, I'll show you the report section on how you can make money using StoxCalls, like how much you should expect making money using StoxCalls. Go to capital gain and loss. So this month, I've already booked. You can see the numbers clearly. I've already booked 9,943, approximately 10,000 rupees. Okay. right? From 1/4/24 to 5/4/24. I have booked all these stocks under profit. This is my buy quantity. Sorry, this is my buy quantity, buy price, and sell quantity, sell price. In stocks, this is pure stocks. It's not FNO. Okay. Now, last month, which is 1/3/2024 to 31/3/2024, which is in March. March was not a good month for me. I was very busy at work, and so 2 or 3 wrong calls I have traded wrongly. Means I did not put stop losses and I lost money. But okay, it usually happens in trading. Okay, I made around 7,900 for the whole month put together. Okay, you can see that I made losses here. In Cochin Shipyard, I made 3,000 rupees loss. In Engineers India, I made 1,500 rupees loss. ये भी एक बड़ा है Vertos advertising. The mistake I did was I did not put the stop loss tightly. I mean, I have left it for the market to eat my money. I did not exit in time. And when the notification comes, I should be ready to exit it, or I should put the stop loss in the system. So I did not put the stop loss in the system, so I have lost this money, right? So let me summarize how the money was made. Just to show you, in April, March, Feb, ये तीन महीने का देखते हैं. In cash market, in stocks, and in FNO. Okay, और ये तीनों महीना मेरा कैपिटल कितना था? How much capital I had? So in April, my capital I have already shown it was around 3.6 lakhs was in stocks. 3,60,000 was in stocks. And in March, it was around 2 lakhs. Stocks may either approximately 10,000 rupees I have earned. And in April, I have already earned how much? Sorry, in April, I have earned approximately 10,000. And in March, I have earned around 7,900. Okay, and let's look at February also. See, you have to analyze as a trader or as an investor, whether you are doing it for your secondary income or primary income. You should always do this analysis, like how much money. It will take time. You have to spend time. And believe me, you will start making money. Money making is a boring job. You will not get maza while doing this. You have to do this because you have to make money, right? Because you are making money, you should not do this. It doesn't work in a reverse way. If you do this, your mind will absorb your entire way of trading, your attitude towards money, your seriousness towards money, and your analysis will give you the gaps where you are making mistakes and your the places where you are doing well. Like just like I've told you just now that Vertos में मैंने stop loss system में नहीं लगाया and I lost 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees for a capital of around 3 lakhs is around 1%. So I lost 1% of my capital. Okay, that's how you have to look at. So this analysis is very important. You should never, leave it, unattended or leave it to the market to decide your fate. Okay, this is February 1st to February 29. I made around 11,000. Sorry, 11,500. 11,547. Okay. So ये भी डाल देते 11,547. 504. ये सब ready-made reports रहते हैं. I mean, you get all the ready-made reports here, but still I'm putting it so that you have to analyze, right? ऐसा करने से you know where exactly you're making mistakes and where exactly you're improving. And let me look at my FNO profits. FNO is very risky. Let me put that disclaimer right away. You have to be very careful while doing FNO. You have to be right in front of the system. खरीद के कभी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. All right. Let me take FNO. For looking at FNO report, you have to go to portfolio and then pick up the FNO report. FNO first photo. Okay, April में कितना बना है अभी तक? 10,970. All right. FNO capital was around in April it was around 7 lakhs. We just calculated that. March it was around 8 lakhs, and in February it was around 12 lakhs. This I know. Okay, and then take last month, which is March. Again, I said when last month was not a good month for me. March product काम में busy था, so I did not attend trading so rigorously. 30,207. Okay, 30,000 is also not bad. Okay, and then you look at February. February 1st to February 29th. Somewhere around 68,000. Right? This is how you do it. And then you look at the rate of return on capital. Right? So in the month of February, I made 5.8% return on capital in stocks and 5.7% return on capital in FNO. In the month of March, I made 4% return on capital in stocks and 3.8% return on capital in FNO. And April is just started, still way to go. I've already made 2.8%. ये बढ़ते रहता है या घटते रहता है, I mean based upon whether you're making profit or loss. And I made 1.6% return in FN already, right? So this is how my journey is going, and all trades are through StoxCalls. Once you look at, let me see if there is any update now. Okay, अतुल का update आ गया भाई. Book partial profit. मैं partial नहीं, मैं पूरा book कर लेगा. Exit. Bye. Close to around 10,000 rupees I made in Atul. Sorry, 7,000 rupees I made in Atul. NASDAQ intraday call एक आ गया नया 2208 to 2272. Okay, it's an intraday call, so let me buy an intraday. I usually buy for have you seen this? The moment I marked it as intraday, my required margin has become 1/4. If I buy regular, I have to pay the full price of 2,200. If I buy for intraday, I have to buy only for 500. So for intraday, I usually spend around 10,000 rupees, which means 200 stocks. Sorry, 20 stocks. 20 stocks is 11,037. This is fine. I'll buy this. Okay, Nasdaq. और कोई call है क्या देख लेते हैं? Did we get any other new call? Okay, intraday Nasdaq आया है. Short term में there is no other new call. अगर new call आता है तो ऊपर ही रहेगा. TVS Motors. In this also I made money. Yeah? TVS Motors put option. गुजरात गैस मैंने उठाया नहीं है. आज नीचे गया है 541. Okay, let me pick up Gujarat Gas as well. 540 again 20. I'll take 40, 20,000. So stocks intraday I take around 10,000 rupees per stock. In short term I take around 20,000 rupees per stock. And in long term मैं लेते रहता हूँ मतलब 5,000 10,000 5,000 10,000. You know. So let me buy. So check the orders. Have they got executed? Okay, there is no open order. Completed. If you see Gujarat Gas executed, executed. Until also executed. Right. So holdings. अभी मैं इसमें शॉर्ट टर्म में गुजरात गैस एक ऐड कर देता हूँ. Save. Right. So this is how you manage your trading using StoxCalls. Now pay. All right. Now coming back to my analysis. Yeah. So what is the most important thing, or what is the most basic thing when you enter stock markets? Okay. What are the most important and the most basic thing? Okay. It is nothing but money. Everything about money. It is how much capital you are investing in your business. So stock markets is nothing but a business where you invest money to make money. आप एक रेस्टोरेंट खोलो या फिर कोई ऑटोमोबाइल गराज खोलो, आपको बेस मिनिमम कैपिटल लगता है. अगर आप कोई चाय की दुकान का एग्जांपल भी ले लेंगे तो कम से कम 10,000 या 5,000 का आपका सेटअप का कॉस्ट रहेगा. मतलब एक गैस कनेक्शन, उसका लाइसेंस फी, उसके वेजल्स लगेंगे, all those things that you require. Then you require running capital. That is again that's nature of that business. But आपको कैपिटल लगता है. Now most of the traders or most of the beginners who enter stock market, they think that if I put 10,000 rupees I can make 1 lakh rupees. Stock market is not a place where you can make magic. It is a business. If you put 10,000 rupees, you get a return on that. Some years you can make it double, and some years you can make losses also. Right? So because it is a business, okay, there is a chance of profit and there is a chance of loss. Both. When this is the nature of business, when stock markets is a business and the nature of business is that you can make profit also, you can make loss also. How and why you can make profits? I mean, what is the way that you can make profits? What are the chances? How do you increase your chances of making profits? There is only one way, and that is skill. And skill se bhi pehle knowledge. When you have more knowledge and then you practice, you will get skill. So my suggestion to all beginners who actually are entering stock markets, do not try anything of your own. Okay, if you're a beginner, what is the best way to enter stock markets? It's research. So stocks calls, we have got around 15 research analysts, SEBI registered, highly qualified, who are already managing, a prop desk of our own money of around 1,000 crores of money, who are already managing portfolio management services and investment advisory to HNIs, ultra HNIs. HNIs is high net worth individuals. We are seasoned. We have got around 80 years of experience in the market. So research analysts who are highly educated, chartered market technicians, chartered accountants, CAs, CFAs, MBAs who are highly qualified like this, they have their own trading systems and they are analyzing all the stocks and giving you calls like this. They give you calls like this, stocks calls, right? So when these are well-researched stocks calls and you see that, they are giving profits once in a day, the only thing that you need to do is manage your money. कौन से कॉल में कितना पैसा डालना है वो आप ही डिसाइड कर सकते हो. That cannot be automated and that cannot be even given by StoxBox to you. What you should do is that if you have got, say, 1 lakh capital or a 2 lakh capital, like in stocks, I put, how much capital did I put in stocks? I have put around 2 lakhs capital. April में मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा डाला है, but in general, usually I keep around 2 lakhs in stocks. So when you put 2 lakhs capital in stocks, for every cash market call or a BTST call, short-term call or a intraday call that you get, you take a trade of around 10,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. उसमें आप 5-6 calls आप ले लेते हो. अप्रैल में मैंने ज्यादा ले लिया, so इसलिए मेरा कैपिटल थोड़ा 3.6 lakhs हो गया. But I have money, I don't mind increasing my capital in the month of April. So that's how you manage money for stock trading. Stocks मतलब क्या है? It is TCS, Infosys, Reliance, गुजरात गैस, अभी जो हमने stocks दिखे, stocks है जिसमें आप सिर्फ खरीद के पैसा बना सकते हो या इंट्राडे में शॉर्ट सेल करके पैसा बेच सकते हो. शॉर्ट सेल का मतलब क्या है? मेरे पास माल नहीं है, मेरे पास स्टॉक नहीं है, फिर भी मैं बेचूंगा ये प्रॉमिस में कि मैं आपको बाद में दूंगा. पहले आप मुझसे खरीद लो, मैं मार्केट में जाके खरीद के आपको दूंगा, राइट? You are committing the customer that I will sell it first and then buy it later. So these are all advanced concepts. I mean, this session is mainly for beginners to understand how to use stocks calls. Sell calls बहुत कम आते हैं stocks में. Stocks में majorly buy calls ही आते हैं, okay? और F&O में दोनों buy as well as sell. Like अतुल का future जो अभी मैंने पैसा बनाया, that was a sell call. You look at this. Call initiated. राइट, बुक पार्शियल प्रॉफिट. ये जो है कॉल इनिशिएटेड है, 6,000 रुपीज में है. टारगेट प्राइस कितना है? 5880. इसका मतलब क्या है कि स्टॉक नीचे जाएगा. जब आप इसको एग्जीक्यूट करने जाएंगे, या हमने ऑटोमेट किया, एग्जीक्यूट करने जाएंगे तो वो सीधा सेल ऑर्डर विंडो खुलता है, राइट? सो एफएनओ में FUT मतलब इधर फ्यूचर, एक्सपायरी डेट इज 25 अप्रैल का एक्सपायरी डेट. सो एफएनओ का एक अलग सेशन होता है. व्हेन दैट सेशन हैपेंस वी विल इनवाइट यू. सो futures and option में you have both, you can make money both on buy side as well as sell side. You can buy and make money, you can sell and make money. But in stocks majorly खरीदना ही होता है. So इसीलिए stocks में आपका पैसा कब बनता है? जब मार्केट ऊपर जाता है. और आज मार्केट कैसा है? मार्केट is going down. So today you will not get more book profit calls. आज आपको मैक्सिमम स्टॉप लॉस ट्रिगर हुआ बोल के आएगा, या फिर अर्ली एग्जिट बोल के आएगा, राइट? क्योंकि मार्केट ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है ना, तो आपका शॉर्ट टर्म और इंटरडे में मैक्सिमम आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट, या तो बस वेट करो. आपने स्टॉक ले लिया है, आप वेट करो, जब मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा तब आपका प्रॉफिट बनता है. ऐसे भी दिन होते हैं जब आपने स्टॉक्स खरीदा है, ऐसे भी दिन होते हैं कि मार्केट एक दिन 200-400 पॉइंट गिरता है, तो आपके सारे कॉल्स आपने जो लिए हैं सारे स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो जाते हैं. तब क्या करना चाहिए? आपको एग्जिट करना ही चाहिए. डोंट वेट, यू शुड नॉट वेट सेइंग दैट स्टॉप लॉस के नीचे भी जाने के बाद मैं वेट करता हूँ, ये कभी ना कभी तो ऊपर आएगा. ये होप में आप कभी मत रहना. एक बार स्टॉक नीचे जाता है, आपको पता नहीं है कि वो फिर वापस कभी आता है. आई हैव सीन सो मेनी ट्रेडर्स हु in spite of knowing that there is a stop loss, they don't exit और वेट करते रहते हैं कि वो कभी ना कभी ऊपर आएगा. I know, I mean, whether it is Satyam, whether it is Yes Bank, whether it is Reliance Power, ये सब एग्जाम्पल सिग्नेचर स्टॉक्स है. लोग येस बैंक ले लिया, खरीदा, वो नीचे जाता है, नीचे जाता है, नीचे जाता है, और वो एग्जिट ही नहीं करता है कोई। सोचेगा कभी ना कभी तो ऊपर आएगा। अरे तुम्हारा पैसा अटक गया भाई। पूरा मार्केट में क्या है इंपॉर्टेंट? मनी मैनेजमेंट। मैनेज योर मनी। अगर आप स्टॉप लॉस में, कम लॉस में अगर आप येस बैंक से निकल जाते, आपके पास हजारों स्टॉक्स पड़े हुए हैं जिसमें आप डाल के पैसा कमा लेते। सो व्हाट यू शुड डू इज बुक small losses. Learn booking small losses, right? Book small profits. Book big profits. Avoid big losses. ये चौथा पॉइंट आपको अवॉइड करना है। अगर आपने, इफ यू हैव टेकन yes bank at 100 rupees and it is trading at say 14 rupees or 24 rupees, and you are holding it for last 2-3 years, and you have put 1 lakh in that, boss, please understand, had you exited that at 90 rupees, and you would have got around 90,000 rupees with you. With that 90,000 rupees, every month you can make another 2-3%, which makes it around 36%. 90,000 के ऊपर 36% turns out to be around 27-28,000 or another 30,000. So आपका 90,000 आपका 1.2 lakhs बन जाता, right? There are so many people right out there in YouTube and Instagram who promise you saying that overnight आप करोड़पति बन जाओ, overnight आप ये एक बैंक निफ्टी कॉल ले लो, ये एक निफ्टी का ऑप्शन ले लो, आप पैसे मल्टीप्लाई करके आप बहुत पैसा बनाएंगे। I don't recommend, I in fact I urge all you guys to avoid watching those kind of seminars, webinars. Do not get into the trap of brokerage. कभी भी, क्योंकि all these influencers are attached to one or the other broker, and they ask you to open the brokerage account, or they are funded by these brokers, so that some or the other account you start trading those, and then you give the 20 rupees brokerage to them. So don't entertain those kind of influencers to lure you to trade more. What you should do is that if there is a well researched stock and it is filtered by research analyst and given to you, just buy that stock and wait. I mean, आपको दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, unless and until you are an expert. See, you are trading is a zero sum game. There's something called as a game theory. इसमें कोई जीतता है और कोई हारता है, एक बुल है और एक बेर है, कभी बुल बेर बनता है, कभी बेर बुल बनता है, राइट? फॉर मी, माय पर्सनालिटी स्टाइल, आई यूजुअली लव शॉर्टिंग। मैं एम एन एटर्नल बेर, बट इन ऑप्शंस आई एम यूजुअली अ कवर्ड कॉल। मैं बेर हूं, इसलिए मैं ऑप्शंस में हमेशा कॉल ऑप्शन ऊपर का बेचता हूं। पीपल हु अंडरस्टैंड कैन रिलेट टू इट, बट आई एम बेर। मैं, मार्केट नीचे गिरता है तो मैं ज्यादा पैसा बनाता हूं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है मार्केट नीचे गिरना, राइट? दैट इज माई पर्सनैलिटी। बट मार्केट में बहुत सारे बुल्स हैं जो, जिनको अच्छा लगता है मार्केट ऊपर जाए, इसलिए बहुत खरीदते रहते हैं और उनका पैसा उधर अटक जाता है। सो इट्स अ जीरो सम गेम, समवन मेक्स मनी एंड समवन लूजेस मनी। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, हम लोग यहाँ पे 2 लाख और 10 लाख लेके बैठे हुए हैं, राइट? उधर FIIs एंड DIS हर हजार हजार करोड़ लेके बैठे हैं। यू आर फाइटिंग विद देम, राइट? स्पेशली इन फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस मार्केट, जो जहां पे हर दिन एक्सपायरी है, हर दिन ऑप्शंस और फ्यूचर्स का ट्रेडिंग होता है, वो भी हजारों करोड़ों में। हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट यू विल बी एबल टू मेक मोर मनी देन देम? कभी कभी बनता है। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू आर नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, because understand that in trading there is always a chance, there is a probability which always overrides your science, राइट? आप जितना भी सिस्टमेटिकली सोचो कि मेरा ये चार्ट पैटर्न में ऐसा बनना चाहिए, ये ऑप्शन चेन एनालिसिस में ऐसा बनना चाहिए, उसके हिसाब से ये सब सीखना जरूरी है। बट व्हेन यू ट्रेड ऑन योर ओन, यू हैव टू बी डबली श्योर, यू हैव टू बी 100% श्योर दैट द ट्रेड दैट यू आर टेकिंग इज करेक्ट, एंड यू डोंट end up into a big loss. You have to be careful. If you are trading on your own, ensure that you don't end up into a big loss. You should avoid big losses, and you should only make small profits and small losses. With StoxCalls, the objective is that you get all the 3 intraday, short-term and long-term calls, all the 3. एंड इंट्राडे एंड शॉर्ट टर्म आपको कभी कभी ऑप्शन कॉल्स भी आते हैं इसमें, जैसे यहाँ पे टीवीएस का दिख रहा था, ऑप्शन कॉल्स भी आते हैं, ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजीज भी आते हैं, and then you get futures also in intraday and short term, and then you get long term stocks. So if you have seen my profit book, now this is ये कब का है भाई, this is in February, right? You look at the size of my profits, 43 rupees, 2676. क्वांटिटी देखो इधर BASF में 10, 988 rupees, इधर लॉस ऑफ 2100. You look at the size, इतना छोटा 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 साइज में ही I was able to make 11,000 rupees on a capital of 2 lakh rupees. एक महीने में मैंने 5% का रिटर्न बना लिया. तो अगर मैं ये कंसिस्टेंटली 5% हर महीना बनाऊंगा तो मैं एक साल में आई विल मेक अराउंड 60% रिटर्न. Forget 60% return. Let me say that on conservative basis, I'll make around 30% return. That is also good money. 30-35% is a great money. Right? That's also, I mean, you're not losing money. Where a lot of people lose money in the market, with StoxCalls, you will make money. Right? Because these are all well-researched stocks that are coming to you, calls coming to you. Only thing is that you have to be very careful when you are managing your money. How much I should invest in it, and stop loss, and my reaction, action reaction to my the notifications. जब notification आ जाता है तो तुरंत exit करना. And another important thing, अगर आप notifications में react नहीं कर पाते हो तो आपको एक बहुत ही important चीज करना है. What is that? What I call that as review and rebalance. Review and rebalance क्या है? It's another very simple thing. अभी देखिए, अगर आप stop loss या तो now I will show you a real example of what will happen if you don't react to the notification. अतुल बुक पार्शल दिया था, मैंने तो पूरा एग्जिट कर लिया, और जिसने बुक पार्शल किया रहेगा that guy might be still making money because he has booked profits. Look at the price of Atul. आ गया ना नीचे? Have you guys observed? देखो मार्केट गिर रहा है. I'll show you at what price I have exited and what is the current price. Okay, last Atul have exited at 5994. Okay, sorry, not that. Sorry, my mistake. Yeah, Atul have exited at 5980, and now the price is 6000. मतलब 20 रुपए बढ़ गया. Look at this. Atul, I have exited at 5980. Yeah, I have exited Atul at 5980, and now the price is around 6000. So had I not exited here, I would not have been making money. ऊपर चला गया ना, इट वाज अ शॉर्ट सेल. अगर ये इससे नीचे जाता, अगर मैं यहाँ पे एग्जिट करता, 5958 पे एग्जिट करता, तो ज्यादा पैसा बनाता. बट ठीक है, आई डिड नॉट एग्जिट देयर. आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर द नोटिफिकेशन. Once the notification came, I exited over here. I made good 7,000 rupees. अगर नीचे जाने के बाद मैं अगर एग्जिट करता तो शायद 14-15,000 रुपीज बना लेता. लेकिन अभी ये ऊपर भागने लगा है. So if I don't react to the notifications, this is what I was saying. If I don't react to the notifications as and when they come, then there are chances that you will lose out on the opportunity of making money. Right? So StoxCalls is very extremely easy way for you to be in stock markets and keep consistent money making. Now I'll tell you what is review and rebalance. I will repeat it for your benefit. Holdings आया, I will click on MEOG 1159 to 1518. There is no stop loss given. It's a long-term call. So I will hold it. I will not take any action. So this is called review. Century ply, I'm losing around 1864 notional. 661 is the current price and target is 825. Gap ज़्यादा है और call अभी initiate किया है, तो research analyst is asking me to wait. So I will not exit this. So similarly, all other stocks, I will keep looking at the current price and the target price. And if the call is still open, I will keep it as it is and I don't exit. Right? So this is called as review and rebalance. You should always do this. I mean, at what frequency you do the review and rebalance? If you are in intraday call, you should do it at least, okay, if you are in intraday call, you should do it at least once in an hour. कभी कभी 5-6 मिनट में भी प्राइस रीच हो जाता है, बट यू शुड डू एटलीस्ट वंस इन एन आवर. मतलब पूरे मार्केट में 6 से 7 बार आपको रिव्यू रिबैलेंस करना है इफ यू आर एन इंट्राडे ट्रेडर. इफ यू आर अ शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडर मीन्स आप स्टॉक्स में खेल रहे हो एक दो दिन के व्यू पॉइंट में, बीटीएसटी और रैपिड मूवर्स, टेक्नो फंडा, all these stocks, if you are looking at these stocks, then you should review your stocks at least once in 2 days. 2 दिन में एक बार आपको रिव्यू करना है, देखना है कि टारगेट प्राइस अचीव हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, और आपको डिसीजन लेना है. एंड मेरा पर्सनालिटी ऐसा है कि मैं टारगेट प्राइस अचीव करने तक मैं वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं समझता. इफ आई एम मेकिंग अराउंड 6-7% रिटर्न इन विद इन अ मंथ, आई एग्जिट. और कभी कभी मेरे को लगता है कि आप एग्जिट करेंगे तो आपको हर दिन नया नया अपॉर्चुनिटी आता है ना, तो दैट मनी आई पुट इट इन द न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी रादर देन होल्डिंग इन द सेम अपॉर्चुनिटी. मार्केट बहुत बड़ी है, तो बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज है और आपको हर दिन अपॉर्चुनिटी आते रहेगा. अगर कुछ दिन ऐसे रहेंगे जब अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं रहेंगे, लाइक आज अभी तक कम से कम 5-6 कॉल आ जाने चाहिए थे. टुडे देयर आर नो इनफ कॉल्स. व्हाई? मार्केट इज फ्लैट and moreover it's a Friday, right? So there are no many calls. Like yesterday there were so many calls that have come, and day before yesterday there were so many calls that have come. Yeah, so you have to keep waiting for the calls and you have to keep reviewing. Short term में तो कम से कम 2 दिन में एक बार रिव्यू करना है. लॉन्ग टर्म में you have to review at least once in a week. आप संडे बैठो, संडे को आप सारे लॉन्ग टर्म कॉल्स को रिव्यू कर लो, रिव्यू करके देन मंडे एग्जीक्यूट करो. लॉन्ग टर्म में इतना जल्दबाजी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Right? What is the USP of StoxCalls? We are focused in StoxCalls focuses more on mid cap, small cap ranges. अगर आप देखेंगे तो TCS एक कॉल आज आपको लार्ज कैप में दिखेगा और बाकी सारे most of the calls are either mid cap or small cap. The reason why we our research guys, I mean there are some stocks which are like DMart and Maharashtra Bank, they will be, we look at opportunities, we don't look at we look at opportunities that will actually help you make money, and we don't look at stocks in terms of their face value or a brand value. अभी एक नोविस को अगर आप पूछो कि एसबीआई लेना चाहिए, वो तो हाँ ही बोलेगा, हाँ एसबीआई ले लेना चाहिए. फिर बोलेगा कि यार तुम्हें क्या लगता है, हमको एचडीएफसी बैंक लेना चाहिए, बोलेगा हाँ हमको. बट आज उसमें मोमेंटम है क्या, आज उसमें पैसा बन रहा है क्या, राइट? तो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन अ ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम, and which is something which is only an expert can design. So my 15 research analysts under Swapnil Shah, the director of research at StoxBox, okay, has got 15 people, and they have proprietary trading systems that actually identifies these opportunities and gives you the calls. These are not algos, these are well researched ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम. एक ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम मतलब एक कंडीशंस, एक सेट ऑफ कंडीशंस होते हैं, वो कंडीशंस को सेटिस्फाई करता है तो ये कॉल्स आते हैं, राइट? अभी देखिए अतुल, मैं आई विल गिव दिस एग्जांपल वंस अगेन. अतुल को वापस देखिए, अतुल भाग गया ऊपर, राइट? और जितना 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 ऊपर जाएगा, मैं इतना इतना लॉस बनाता था अगर मैं एग्जिट नहीं किया होता. माय प्रॉफिट मेकिंग स्टॉक वुड हैव बिकम लॉस मेकिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी if I had not exited. That's why reacting to, इसलिए F&O में थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है. स्टॉक्स में इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. स्टॉक्स में क्या है, आपको लॉस भी छोटा होता है और छोटा 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 करके आप मंथ एंड में पूरा अच्छा अच्छा खासा पैसा बना लेते हो, राइट? नाउ आई वांट टू शो यू वन मोर good feature which I think you should always look at, which is WhatsApp AI. Okay, I got one more call called Nasdaq has hit the stop loss market thoda niche aaj. Let me share the screen and exit. Say I got this notification. Intraday call stop loss hit. I think there's some network problem at my end. So let me exit Nasdaq. See now abhi kya hua? I'm losing only how much? 132 rupees or 180 rupees. So this is the advantage of stocks. It ho gaya? Okay. Nasdaq is now 0. Right? Executed. Nasdaq sell. I've exited. Okay. So stop loss hit हो गया तो मैं exit कर लिया. ऐसे exit हो जाना चाहिए. The moment you get stop loss, you should exit. Now I'm making around 7,278. I made around 7,278 in Atul. Okay, and Anup have exited in stop loss. Okay, okay. And I've bought this. Gujarat Gas at 0.08. Kalab have made money. Fine. Policy was a book profit. Day positions है. Okay, इसमें भी जो ग्रुप्स मैंने वेबसाइट में वेब ट्रेडर में क्रिएट किया था वो यहाँ पे भी दिख रहे हैं. Alright, now I want to show you AI based WhatsApp trader. So I get calls here also. See, stop loss trigger, Nasdaq. So I get both on API as well as, both on WhatsApp as well as on my mobile app. I can click on trade now here. It will ask me to log in. Okay. So it's an AI. So I just want to show you certain thing. Say, let me put news. आज कुछ आएगा देखेंगे. Okay, Neogen FinTech rises. GTV rises by 90% year on year. Benchmark edge lower ahead of RBI policy. L&T falls 1.09%. News आ गया मेरे को. More और news आ गया. Right. Let me try and see stocks calls आज के बताओ मेरे को. Show me for intraday. Stocks calls intraday, Nasdaq. Final call status, stop loss trigger. एक ही कॉल है. Long term. Long term, see, I've got Engineers India, book partial, final call status, and then you've got Maruti, Century Ply, Shakti Pump, same. Whatever you have seen on your mobile app and this you got. So the advantage of WhatsApp StoxBox AI is that in your meeting or whenever you're traveling or when you are not able to access your mobile app, you're 1 second by Azad. A new call has come while we are talking. It's in short term, huh? Chalo. Let me buy.
Sir, excuse me. So your WhatsApp screen is not visible.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm showing my screen. I'm sharing my screen. Were you not seeing since beginning or
No, no, no. We are we are able to see your Excel screen. Excel sheet.
no? I'm so sorry. Let me share once again. I'm sharing my entire screen. One second. There is some problem in this. Or let me show you WhatsApp on my web, on my desktop. Okay, Stalin, I think there's some problem in Zoom. My Zoom got stuck. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Now it does come. Let me try showing WhatsApp screen once again from my mobile. अभी दिख रहा है?
No, no, not it.
Not able to see. Check one last time. Are you able to see?
No. Still the Excel
Or
sheet. Yeah, yeah. Now it's will.
now it's WhatsApp web I'm showing. That's okay. But this is how WhatsApp web is shown. Like let me type here. मैं stocks calls देखना चाहता हूँ तो click किया stocks calls के ऊपर, then show me short term calls. Yeah, so these are all the short term calls along with the status. The advantage of WhatsApp AI is that you can have a chatting experience and you can have everything on the go while you are on WhatsApp. The research showed that almost every human being spends most of the time on WhatsApp and Instagram, right? So when you are on WhatsApp and you get a new notification and you get a new call, you will be informed, directly on WhatsApp, and thereby you can actually trade quickly. So my recommendation is that you should pin this particular, WhatsApp onto the top so that you can get the notifications on WhatsApp also quickly. Okay, in chat. Okay, let me go through some questions. Guys, you can start asking questions. I think my trading for the day is done. I will look at my stocks calls again. See, Atul kitna upar chala gaya. 60.28. My trading for the day is done. I am open for questions. So today what you have learned is all about stocks calls, intraday, short-term, long-term. Right, let me revise once. You have learned about intraday calls, long-term, short-term, and in long-term, short-term, and intraday. You need to be very careful in trading with FNO. The easiest and the safest way is going through the short-term calls and intraday calls. What you need to remember is putting the stop loss correctly and reviewing your stocks for intraday at least once in an hour, for short-term at least once in 2 days, and for long-term once in a week. Ensure that you exit once the stop loss is reached. Don't wait, with the hope that the stock will come up again. Be ruthless. Learn to book losses. Learn to book small losses. Okay, keep booking small profits and big profits. You have to avoid big losses completely. And you have to manage your money very well. If you are into stock markets, you should have a minimum capital to, build wealth with the secondary income in stock markets. You can do that only when you bring at least 1.5 lakhs into stock markets. Never ever think that if you put 10,000 rupees, you'll be able to make 1 lakh. Those kind of lottery systems do not work in stock markets. Your entire 10,000 rupees will be lost. Be very careful with your money when you think about money. Right attitude towards money is very important. Don't expect that you will become rich overnight. If anyone in YouTube or Instagram is promising you that they'll give you one strategy and you'll make crores of money with that, please don't believe that. You have to be with research guys and follow only the research calls. The difference between other brokers and StoxBox is that StoxBox is a value broker. We believe in helping customers make money through research. So that's why we charge only for research. Brokerage is free. There is no brokerage charged. You pay for research, pay 500 rupees per month and get all these calls unlimited. And 500 rupees is nothing when you start making 5 to 6% of return every month, or maybe at least 1-2% return every month is also big once you come with a lakh and a half capital. If you don't have lakh and a half capital, start working from today of building that capital. Don't put money in stock markets, put that money in FDs or mutual funds. Start building that capital. Go ahead and start building that capital. Start saving money. In another 6 to 12 months, you should have 1.5 to 2 lakhs of money. Then you put that money into stock market, start trading in intraday and short term. You will make 200 rupees, 500 rupees profit for every stocks call. Don't get disheartened. That is the real money that you will be making. Small profits only will make you successful at the end of month. If you have high expectation that sir मैं 2 लाख डाल रहा हूँ, मुझे 20,000 तो बनना चाहिए, तो आप इसमें मत आइए. Don't come to stock markets. The real way of making money is consistent money. बिना मेहनत के कहीं भी पैसा नहीं मिलता है. अगर बिना मेहनत के अगर आपको पैसा मिलता है तो सब लोग पैसे वाले हो जाते हैं आज तक. Right? It is not easy. I don't say it is not easy. It is not, you cannot make money in stock market by being lazy. आपको मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. You have to work diligently. You have to work consistently to make money. It is your secondary source of income. Okay, and the easiest way is that follow a research recommendation rather than rather than doing your own research and doing your own trial and error and losing your entire capital. And you can do your own research and you can do your own capital with small money. Park that aside and trade with that money. Okay, if you can very clearly see that with just 2 lakhs of money I'm able to make 7,000 rupees or 11,000 rupees of money every month only in stocks. And if you get into FNO, even in that you can make 5 to 6% return. But you have to be very careful in FNO. If you are entering into FNO, be careful. I mean, जैसे भी आज मैंने अतुल दिखाया, अतुल फ्यूचर, अगर मैं एग्जिट नहीं किया होता तो मेरा 7,000 का प्रॉफिट 15-20,000 का लॉस में रहा रहता अभी तक. So you have to exit immediately. I mean, you have to be very careful. FNO intraday traders and FNO trades, you have to monitor it almost real time, like 30-40 minutes में एक बार आपको देखते रहना पड़ेगा. आप एक मीटिंग में जाके आए और देखा कि आपका प्रॉफिट वाला पोजीशन लॉस में चला गया. FNO में होता है ऐसा, फ्यूचर्स में और ऑप्शंस में होता है ऐसा. राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी सीरियस. आप मजे करने के लिए, थ्रिल के लिए, लर्न करने के लिए स्टॉक मार्केट में मत आइए. सो स्टॉक्स कॉल्स आर अवेलेबल ओनली एट 500 रुपीज. आपको ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जो मैंने अभी आज दिखाया नहीं है. वी हैव गॉट अ ब्यूटीफुल ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, बेटर देन एनी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म. यू हैव लाइक सेंसिबल, ऑब्स्ट्रा, ऐसा सब मार्केट में है ना. सिमिलरली वी हैव गॉट ऑप्शंस बॉक्स विच इज एन ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म. इसमें तो आपको एल्गोस भी है. You can learn. I mean, if you're a high trader, if you're a advanced trader, you can actually explore this. Right? We have got strategy builder, everything available. Like, I'll just show you. Let me take a straddle and show you. These are all strategies. Right? मैं एक call और एक put. Right? So एक straddle बेचूंगा. इसका एक्सपायरी है 10th April को, which is next week. Right? And the credit that I got, how much credit I got? 13,000. एक लॉट ही बेचा मैंने. निफ्टी का एक लॉट बेचा है. निफ्टी का एक कॉल ऑप्शन, एक पुट ऑप्शन मैंने सेल किया है. दोनों एक लॉट का क्वांटिटी विच इज 50-50 क्वांटिटी मैंने सेल किया है. प्राइस जितना हो उतना है. तो उसमें कितना मार्जिन लगा मुझे? 1,49,000. 633 and my max profit is around 13,000. तो परसेंटेज रिटर्न कितना हो गया एक हफ्ते में? इट इज अराउंड 9%, राइट? 8 to 9, 13,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 1.5 लाख करोगे तो आपको आ जाएगा अराउंड 8 to 9% रिटर्न है। यहाँ पे जो ग्रीन एरिया दिख रहा है, नेक्स्ट वीक थर्सडे के एक्सपायरी तक अगर निफ्टी ये ग्रीन एरिया में रहेगा तो मेरा प्रॉफिट बनता है। अगर ये टॉप में जहां पे आपको ये कोना जो दिख रहा है, ट्रायंगल का जो कोना, राइट, इफ निफ्टी इज एग्जैक्टली एट से 22,499 देन आई विल मेक 12,913 दिख रहा है, राइट? 12,963 इज व्हाट आई विल मेक। अगर निफ्टी इज अराउंड से 22,355 then I will make 5,763. But you see, there is an unlimited loss that you will make. If Nifty goes say 23,000, then you will make 26,000 rupees of loss. If Nifty goes below to 21,000, then you will make 24,000 rupees of loss. So this option trading platform is available. Option chain hai, option trading hai. You got many features in this, wonderful features, and everything is free. 500 रुपए का जो आप महीना पे करते हो ना, ये सब फ्री है। बाकी बाहर सब महीने का 6,000, महीने का 1,000 रुपए, महीने का 800 रुपए लेते हैं ओनली फॉर ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म। These are all features are there. Stock option pick, spread strategy, scanner wizard. Guys, एक सेकंड में कॉल आया है, कुछ तो वेद लिमिटेड का अपडेट आया है। क्या आजाद तो मैंने लिया नहीं है। वेद लिमिटेड बुक पार्शियल आ गया। ओके, आई एम मेकिंग 2.68% रिटर्न। आई बुक फुल प्रॉफिट। हाँ, ये मेरा गंदी आदत है, बट आई हैव टू रेस्ट्रिक्ट माई सेल्फ। ऐसा बुक पार्शियल प्रॉफिट आता है तो भी मैं पूरा प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेता हूँ, तो मेरे को उतना पेशेंस नहीं है। चलो, वेद लिमिटेड मैंने बुक कर लिया। मेरे को व्हाट्सएप में भी आ गया वेद लिमिटेड बुक करो बोल के। आई शो यू व्हाट्सएप आल्सो। या बुक पार्शियल प्रॉफिट वेद लिमिटेड एक्सप्लोर। सब कुछ है सिर्फ 500 रुपए में महीने का। ट्रेड करो, पैसा बनाओ, बट ट्रेड सिस्टमेटिकली करो, केयरफुल होके करो। डोंट गेट इनटू unsolicited advices, don't get into influencers and Instagram advices and all. Be very careful with your money. It's your hard earned money. अगर आप अपने पापा मम्मी का पैसा यूज कर रहे हो तो उनके मेहनत का पैसा है। बी वेरी केयरफुल एंड बी रेस्पेक्टफुल टू मनी। लक्ष्मी घर के अंदर ही आनी चाहिए, बाहर जानी नहीं चाहिए। सो यू हैव टू बी cautious, very respectful, right? You should do not fall in love with stocks, right? But fall in love with money. Fall in love with the process of making money. धीरे धीरे आराम से पैसा कमाइए, कोई टेंशन नहीं लेना चाहिए। अगर स्टॉक मार्केट शुड बी बोरिंग, अगर आप ट्रेड कर रहे हो तो लगना चाहिए कि यार आज मजा नहीं आया। ऐसा मजा नहीं आते आते ही आपका पैसा बन जाना चाहिए, राइट? धीरे धीरे करके, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आपका ऐसा पैसा बनते रहना चाहिए। ऑलराइट, नाउ आई एम ओपनिंग फॉर क्वेश्चंस नेक्स्ट 10-15 minutes. Anyone any questions, please ask me. Okay, Rashmi ji पूछती है, sir, in stocks calls you don't give option strategies like straddle strangle. Yeah, we give. There are some less strategies that we are giving. We'll increase that, man. Thanks for highlighting that. We will increase. Earlier we were giving it very regularly, but now we have somewhat stopped it. But we will start giving option strategies as well. Okay, mentorship program for options. All right, we did not see enough market for that. That's why we were hoping to start it later. But yeah, we will take a 2-day webinar on that, definitely. Rashmi ji, we will take a 2-day webinar on option trading strategies. I'll do that. I'll take that webinar. All right. So Mr. Amsraj is asking, is StoxCalls one-time fee and where to subscribe? Ashok Rajni says, what's your... Ma'am, my name is Vamsi Krishna. I am from Andhra. So Vamsi in Telugu means flute, Bansi in Hindi. So my name is Vamsi Krishna. I'm the CEO of StoxBox. We started StoxBox journey in last 1.5 to 2 years. Product is ready now, and we are going to market now. So you can see the entire platform is ready. So we'll do that. Okay, StoxCalls subscription, Mr. Amsraj was asking. Subscribing to StoxBox is extremely easy. You just have to go to our website, stoxbox.in. Right? You just click on get started and you can complete your KYC. And then click on login. Right? In your account, you have got subscription option. So right now I have taken a StoxCalls monthly plan. Okay, and I'm paying around 499 rupees every month for this. Brokerage is zero. It's a beautiful way of मेकिंग मनी. बहुत सारे लोग रिसर्च फ्री में देते हैं क्योंकि ब्रोकरेज बनाने में, मतलब ये मैं ओपन फोरम में बोलना नहीं चाहता दूसरों के बारे में, बट आई हैव नो दैट, मतलब एक ब्रोकर क्या करेगा, ब्रोकरेज कमाएगा ना. तो ब्रोकरेज कमाने के लिए वो कोई भी रिकमेंडेशन दे सकता है. So unlimited, I have seen hero या zero option calls on Thursdays, punter calls and all those kind of calls. So सब avoid करना है. So I charge zero brokerage if you subscribe to StoxCalls. If you are trading on your own, platform is available for you for ₹10 per order. अगर आप StoxCalls लेते हो तो 10 रुपए का ऑर्डर नहीं है. मतलब if you don't subscribe to StoxCalls also, you can still open KYC and use my platform. ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म वगैरह सब भी 10 रुपए के ब्रोकरेज में आपको ये सब फ्री में मिलेगा. मतलब 10 रुपए के ब्रोकरेज में इंक्लूडेड मिलेगा. अगर आप StoxCalls सब्सक्राइब करते हो तो आपको ब्रोकरेज बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा. एंड देयर इज एन एनुअल प्लान ऑफ 5,000 रुपीज. यू कैन अपग्रेड. सो आपको इसमें 1,000 रुपए का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. अगर मैं 499 में करूंगा तो 6,000 होता है. मैं एनुअल प्लान ले लूंगा तो 1,000 रुपए कम हो जाएगा. राइट. सिमिलरली इफ यू आर अ हाई ट्रेडर, अगर आप बाहर बहुत ही ज्यादा अगर आप ब्रोकरेज दे रहे हो, 1 लाख 2 लाख का ब्रोकरेज दे रहे हो, तो आप यहाँ पे 5,000 रुपए दे दो और ट्रेड अनलिमिटेड कर लो. You take you get around 120 or 150 crores of 150 crores of turnover, for just 50,000 rupees. And turnover calculates only premium. मतलब 10 रुपए का प्रीमियम, 20 रुपए का प्रीमियम. So टर्नओवर हिट नहीं होगा. वी हैव केप्ट अ टर्नओवर लिमिट बिकॉज बहुत सारे एल्गोरिथमिक ट्रेडर्स आ जाते हैं और सिस्टम को खा जाते हैं, बैंडविड्थ और नेटवर्क को. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव पुट अ लिमिट. In special cases, we can increase the turnover also for you guys. I mean, if there is a big trader who wants to, use our systems and infrastructure, we can always look at a customized pricing. So, ये सब शांति है. मतलब it is like your Netflix. आपने ले लिया. एक second, guys. I got Chambal fertilizers. Recommended price is 13. What is its current price? 15. Okay, it is still within the range. मैं उठा लेता हूँ, 1-2 लॉट उठा लेता हूँ. एक लॉट के लिए मुझे कितना लग रहा है? 30,000. इट्स ओके, 1 लॉट इज इनफ. ओके, ऑर्डर चेक कर लो एक बार. एग्जीक्यूटेड. ओके. सो चंबल फर्टिलाइजर्स मैंने अभी उठा लिया. ऑर्डर आज का मैं एक बार डाल देता हूँ. ऑप्शंस, क्रिएट न्यू ग्रुप. सी ये एक प्रोसेस है. आई मीन यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस प्रोसेस सो दैट इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी. ये ऑप्शंस मेरा है इधर, और बाकी एफएनओ में मैं तो एग्जिट कर लिया, और बाकी सारे पोजीशन जो है वो एग्जिट पोजीशंस है. खरीदा वो कोई पोजीशन नहीं है. गुजरात गैस से खरीदा है वो, ठीक है, वो शॉर्ट टर्म है तो मैं वो ग्रुप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. राइट. ऑलराइट. So that's it guys for today. So you have seen this my subscription place. महीने का अगर आप सब्सक्राइब कर लोगे 500 रुपये में, तो आपको पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म फ्री है, इंक्लूडिंग रिसर्च। अगर आपको रिसर्च नहीं चाहिए तो 10 रुपये पर ऑर्डर है, तभी आपको पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म 10 रुपये के ऑर्डर में मिल जाएगा, इंक्लूडिंग ऑप्शंस, लेकिन रिसर्च नहीं मिलेगा।